Could this be the best house that is on the market in Hidden Hills right now? Welcome to the channel. This is where I tell you 3 things I like about a property, 3 things I don't like about it. In today's episode, we're gonna review 25079 Jim Bridger Road, Hidden Hills, California, 6-bedroom, 8-bath, 16,779 square foot, listed for $39,950,000, and you're sitting in over 69,000 square foot of lot. Now, the content of this video is purely my personal opinion. So if you have more questions, you can contact the listing agents right here, okay? All right, 3 things I like about this property. Number 3, this tree. Do you know why? This tree brings the ethos of entire Hidden Hills into the house, gives the house a persona. You're gonna see this property on paper is amazing. I mean, it check mark, but they didn't stop there. They went above and beyond, planted a freaking tree to give this property a persona, bringing the ethos. And if you don't know what that means, it's because you don't follow the channel. And no, we're not talking about the Cameroonian soccer player Samuel, okay? Number 2, it's view and land. Combination is beautiful. People don't even expect views in Hidden Hills, and this one nails it. And to back it up, you have a freaking baseball field before you get to the view, which is just absolutely insane. Now, the number 1 thing I love about this property is no surprise. It's Ashley Ridge, baby, the best neighborhood. And if anyone tells you otherwise, just they don't know what they're talking about. By far the best neighborhood in Hidden Hills, hands down. It's where you want to buy if you want to go for location within Hidden Hills. Okay, according to ZipSmart.ai, median days on the market in Hidden Hills, it's 57% more than same time last year. Whoa. And 30% more price cuts than same time last year. Those are no bueno, okay? Not looking good. If you want a software that helps you time the market better, be a third party that could give you advice, it's ZipSmart.ai. Okay, 3 things I don't like about this property. Number 3 is the exterior facade. It's so Hidden Hills. You see this facade all over the place. There's no element of ingenuity, excitement, very cookie cutter Hidden Hills. Not a big fan. Number 2, 6 bedrooms and no guest house and 40 million. Come on, smaller homes than this in Hidden Hills have a guest house at least. And you have 6 bedrooms only in the main house, asking 40, no bueno again. Okay, number 1 thing I don't like about this house, and this is perhaps the hardest thing to nail in the ultra high end, is getting the perfect balance between open layout, scale and volume, and the feel of a home. And this property just doesn't deliver because the energy seems like it's just escaping. There's nothing holding the energy in. It's too big, too wide, too open. To me, it doesn't feel like a home. Now, if you like this video, you will like one of these boxes next to my head. Check them out, click on them, and tell me in the comments how much you think this one's gonna sell for. See you in the next video.